Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the temperature measurements using an NTC type resistive sensor with a thermistor and an Arduino programming. Just like this one. For this video we're going to use a multimeter, breadboard, power supply module, USB cable, LED lights, red and green, 10K ohm resistor, a thermistor, and jumper cables. First, we want to make sure we're using the right resistor. For this configuration, we're going to use a 10 kilo ohm resistor. Nice. On our breadboard, we're gonna set up all the components and then connect them with jumper cables. First, we're gonna identify the positive and negative on the LED lights, the two that we're using. Then we're gonna place them on the breadboard using a negative side and a positive on a number 3, just like that. Negative and positive. We're gonna place our thermistor. The function of this thermistor is that with temperature the resistance goes down exponentially. The higher the heat, the less resistance. Just like that. On our 55 and our 60. We're gonna place our resistance, our 10 kilo ohm resistance on one of the sides. Make sure it goes all the way in. And that's gonna be our side that's gonna go connected to ground. Then we get all the wires ready. We're gonna use 3 cables, one going to ground. The second one is gonna go to A0. The other side is gonna go to 5 volts. Then we use our Arduino Uno and we do the connections. Ground, A0 and 5 volts. Once we have all those connections ready, we can then connect the LED lights. First, we can run the ground to the digital side. Ground to minus. Nine to red, positive, and 8 to green, positive. This is the final product. From our homepage on the electrical mechanical class, course number 31170, we're just going to scroll down to get the codes for the thermistor and LED light. We click on it, then we have all the coding. We copy it and paste it into the Arduino system. We verify it, make sure everything is good. Now that we're done with all the coding on the computer, it's time to run a test. This test is going to show us how the Arduino converts the voltage to resistance and then the resistance into temperature. What it does, it creates resistance in here. The higher the resistance, the lower the temperature. The higher the temperature, the lower the resistance. Once we're running it, we can see all the current readings at room temperature. Just gonna see how the temperature rises around 95 degrees and then decreases. Let's check out the plotter. We can change the delay, make it a little bit faster. Let's check out the plot. We can see here on the table, when we apply heat into the thermistor, it rises up to 96, 97 degrees Fahrenheit, or around 40 degrees Celsius. Then I let the thermistor go, and automatically goes down. Now let's see what happens when we apply stream heat into the thermistor. A normal temperature gets a reading of around 76 degrees Fahrenheit and 24 degrees Celsius. Once I apply heat into the thermistor, the temperature increases, and once it reaches above 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 35 degrees Celsius, it turns to red. This is our logic flow diagram and LED control. If the read T in Fahrenheit goes if T is equal or greater than 90, yes, the red light turns on. If not, the red LED light turns off. If T is less or equal than 90 degrees, then the green light turns on. If not, then the green light turns off. With this, we finish our video on how to use the temperature measurement using an NTC type resistive sensor with a thermistor and an Arduino program. Thanks.